How to contact Amazon customer care. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can contact our Amazon customer care, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to contact your Amazon customer care, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up the Amazon shopping application and you will see this type of interface. Now once you have done that, just come to the three lines option from the bottom right. Scroll down to the very bottom, you'll find customer, so tap on customer here. Now once you go to customer, you can actually see if Amazon can help with any of these topics over here, right? So you can go ahead and view all these help articles and so on that you got. But what you need to do is just scroll down to something else here, then tap on view all here. Now once you've done that, just select I need more help. Then all you have to do is customer service chat is going to be able to talk to you right over here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and send them a message and a live agent will be able to get in touch with you. This way you can contact Amazon customer service. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.